Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me show you how to bookmark a tweet on X. Okay, so first of all, let's open X on my device. And in order to bookmark a tweet on X, you want to find bookmark icon below the post itself. Let's tap it, and at the top you can see this message, post added to your bookmarks. And that indicates that we have successfully saved the post to bookmarks section. And now in order to find bookmarks sections, you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, which opens this side menu. And in this menu you want to find bookmarks section. And boom, here is the post that I have just saved. This list is organized chronologically, and that means that the most recently saved post to your bookmark section will appear at the top. So that's basically how you can bookmark a tweet on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.